So in this question we're asked to explain what is meant by a random sample. A random sample is one in which where every member of the group, I'll write that down, every member of the group has an equal chance of being selected. And that's the really important thing. It's equal chance of selection. And they're looking for that equal chance in your phrase. So a head teacher wants to take a random sample of the pupils in her school, describe a method she could use. Well, it might be long to do this, but that doesn't really matter, we've just got to get the correct method down. So I would write every child's name on a different piece of paper. Put into a bag and shaken, then a child selected, and repeat this for as many times, for however large you want the sample to be. Okay, so just put and repeat. So by doing that, you've made sure that every child has an equal chance of being selected. Their name is on a separate piece of paper. We might want the piece of paper to be exactly the same size, but again, I think as long as you have made it clear that there's no advantage for any one child in the method that you use of being selected, then you will get the marks. On to the final part of this question. We're given a table about the students in the school. So altogether we've got 696 students. We've got 351 girls, 345 boys, and then we're given the year group splits. The question says the head teacher wants to take a sample of 100 students stratified by both gender and year. Work out how many year 12 girls should be in her sample. So we're going to multiply a fraction times 100. So obviously the sample has to be made up of boys and girls from each year group in the correct proportions. Now the number of year 12 girls, number of year 12 girls is 58, and so they are 58 out of a total of 696. So by doing 58 out of 696, we're getting the correct proportion of year 12 girls in the total number of children in the school. The sample size is 100, so we have to multiply it through, and then importantly make sure we don't leave a decimal in the answer, because you can't take a fraction of students. You're going to have to round here. So 58 divided by 696 times 100, and that gives me 8.33. So I'm not going to write 8.33 in the answer, I'm going to write 8 for the reasons I've just given you.